Welcome all to Satya Nambirajan channel, and today I wanted to share about mainly on beauty products what recently I have used and what I felt it is really good with respect to my skin. Before starting about that, nowadays many products what's been created in the market has become environmental friendly. It is more sustainable, and they have just making a thought that environment is not getting kind of affected. So those kind of products, if we see from beauty perspective, I see it is not that high. Recently, when I was still reviewing or seeing about some of the YouTube topics on this, I saw a lot of affordable cheap lipsticks, all those kind of stuff in the even in YouTube as well. But how many have been made mainly on the green beauty topic or else organic products? But at the other end, organic products also they say that it's too costly. But in the same way, in world level, there are many of the products which are now organic, mainly beauty products like Costas Beauty and so on. Even in Shark Tank kind of shows, they still pitch the products based on beauty products, especially mainly on this organic aspect in mind. So in India, equivalent to it, what we have now is that something called Soul Tree product. You can see this over here, and I have tried this for past 1.5 years, Soul Tree, when it has come, because I was kind of affiliated or kind of attached with the organic way of doing stuff, so that you have less carbon imprint, as well as it's good for your skin as well. That is another thing. So in Soul Tree, I recently tried their lipstick, and this is the lipstick which you can see over here. And this color is called Pink Blush, Iced Plum. Sorry, it's called Iced Plum 520. This is a good shade which you can try. And let me say about the ingredients what they have used over here. They have castor seed oil, almond oil, beeswax, cocoa seed butter, then linalool and ghee as well. So all these ingredients what you see is something which doesn't have some of the lead or carmine or petroleum, which generally you would see in any kind of beauty products what you see. Example, I used before few months for mainly for YouTube stuff to make it much brighter, this Lakme product which is bright red color. But after using this, I used to get this black pigmentation, so I totally stopped that. But as because earlier I used to go for my office regularly and I have a lot of meetings, I was buying the Soul Tree, and it is the review part, if I wanted to say, it is really like a butter. You don't feel extra smell, or else it is not making your lip to be chapped, and it is as like you're using a lip balm. So it is not only giving a color shade as like what I'm wearing today, but also it soothes, it repairs, and it also removes the pigmentation part. So I would say it's a heavily recommended product. If you wanted to try the shades from this, there are almost 16 shades available in the market. I think 16 to 12. You can go to organic stores. There are stores. I bought this in organic store, Organic World HSR, Bangalore. But if you want to try, they have swatches over there. You can go there and test it, and then you can buy the one. But I would recommend Iced Plum for all kind of uh, programs to get. It's not one particular shade, I would say. It'll go for all the situations, I would say, as like can see the shade what I'm wearing today. And so it's a heavily recommended one, and of course for people who are more into show business, this is something which is more sustainable and it will not harm your lips as well. The cost of this product, let's come to the cost part. It is almost 520, but that's a kind of a good discount as well. In Organic World, there was 30% discount, I think. So one thing is that you can think that the cost is bit high, but I would say better to buy 2 3 stuffs which will long last for a year, instead of paying some affordable lipsticks like which have more amount of artificial flavors and artificial ingredients into it, because in that way your skin also is taken care and less carbon imprint as well. And the next product which I wanted to show is that there's another one brand by name Deiga. It is called Beetroot Lip Balm. So this actually helped me to remove the pigmentation. It's like this, and there's a slight tint of pink color in it. And this lip balm also has shea butter, almond oil, avocado oil, beetroot extract, beeswax. So it's just apply, you can just apply. So mostly I use this lipstick once when I have certain things to be presented or when I have to go out. Otherwise, I generally use this kind of beetroot lip balm. You can try this Deiga DYGA product as well. They also have a lot number of makeup products, that is beauty products, mainly in a sustainable way, mainly using the natural stuff. So when I say green beauty, it's all about the organic things what they use. If the ingredients are almost 95 percentage or organic into it, that is called organic stuff for the beauty products. And it also, the certification part also, you can just check that it is certified by BDIH Germany. So for that certification part also, you can check over that. So one benefit I would suggest is that instead of going for cheaper or affordable products in the market with high bright colors and all those, let it be from makeup items, a kajal or eyeliner, you can slightly make a switch to these kind of products. Even in Soltree also have their own makeup products like kajal, eyeliner, and the lipstick and BB cream as well. So keeping it light will actually make your skin to be having that same elasticity in it, because this actually will show after you turn 30. So now I'm in my early 30s and I can see what I have invested, it still shows in my skin. And this is where we have to really take care of it. So I would say it's a heavily recommended one. As we all know, skin is the biggest organ, and it absorbs 75% of the stuff what we apply on it. So let's take little bit caution over that, as well as for the environment, so that we just rejuvenate all the things together as well as balance the things together. So if you wanted to know any, use this Soltree product and you can just comment about how you felt, or Deiga or some other products which you have tried. You can comment about it. That would be really useful for me as well. There is another one brand by name Costas Beauty, but when I was going through that, it's really costly and it is not an Indian brand as well. So it is super duper costly, I can say. So for Indian market, this is something really affordable. Soltree, Deiga, these are some brands which I'm using it. So give it a try. Thank you all.